Good morning, students. I welcome you all in this online class of science. Students, as you all know, in the previous lessons we were discussing about heat and temperature. The introduction about what is heat, what is temperature, the thermometer, the effects of heat, and we have discussed about the first type of thermometer, that is the clinical one, the structure and function of the clinical thermometer. As well as we have practiced the conversions also. In continuity with that, students, today we are going to discuss about the other two types of thermometer, that is the digital one and the laboratory one. The digital thermometer. These days, most of us are having these at our homes, right? Because they are very convenient, easy to use. These digital ones, or I can say electronic ones, right? They are preferred over the conventional mercury thermometer. Now, why they are preferred, if I ask you? The answer will be they are very easy to use because the temperature is displayed. So, we can easily read. We need not to see the scale, as well as mercury is not used in this digital thermometer. So, we need not to be so careful while keeping it in our mouth because mercury is not there. So, these are the advantages of digital ones over the clinical ones. That's why these are preferred over these days. In hospitals also you see these are there. Now the next thermometer is the laboratory thermometer, which is there in your science lab. It is almost the same as the clinical one. The only difference is the length in size and the scale. Same long narrow glass tube is there. It has a bulb at one end containing the mercury. So same things as the clinical one. The temperature is again there. The scale is there in degrees Celsius. The range of this laboratory thermometer is from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Now why it is lengthy? Because of the more difference in scale. And why this much of scale is given? Because if you remember the precautions to be taken while using clinical thermometer, we are not supposed to use it to see the temperature of very hot things like boiling water or fire or anything else like that. To see the temperature of those things, boiling water, we use the laboratory one. So that scale is given here. The clinical one, it is used to see the temperature of the body mainly. So our temperature will not go that much high. That's why the scale is less. And in laboratory, we see the temperature of various chemicals. So the temperature it can go very high. That's why the scale is given from -10 to 110. I hope it's clear. All the three types of thermometer are now clear. The clinical ones, the digital ones and the laboratory ones. In our next class, we will be discussing about the transfer of heat, the mode of transfer of heat. Till that time, thank you and have a great day.